time with Chef Ricardo cooking program, guys. We are in the kitchen today. I want to give you a real Jamaican dish where we're talking about like some fried saltfish served with some banana and caramel dumpling. I did the recipe before, but sometimes, you know, I like to do things again to remind us that, you know, we Jamaican preserve one of the best ever food in this world. When you're talking about some fried saltfish, basically I get some saltfish, and it's very easy, guys. I will just explain it to you. I got a lot of video on my YouTube channel tell you how to cook saltfish. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and please leave your comments. See you next time. Lovely. So right here I have all of my veg. I got some white onion and some mixed pepper and an old tomato which I'm already cut up. I'm using half of the sweet peppers and half of a white onion. This is the white onion. Right over here in this bowl, this is the saltfish right here, guys. Basically I want to explain to you why you think the saltfish look this kind of way, a little bit picked up like this. First of all, if you go to any local shop, supermarket, get a pack of saltfish, the boneless one, and all you need to do is just to boil it off for roughly about 10 to 15 minutes into some boiling water, or you can put it to soak for 24 hours and then you break it up fine, just like this. Guys, it's very easy and simple. As I said, spring onion, mixed pepper, white onion, and some chopped tomato. All of my veggies right here, as you can see them. I have even my Jamaican scotch bonnet pepper, fresh thyme, and all those bits and pieces. You can do the same thing at home, because I know that everywhere in this world you can find peppers, saltfish, and mix white onion and these bits and pieces. So guys, I'm gonna show you to fry it off, and that's the key point, is to how you're gonna fry it off and make it look nice inside of the pot. So look at this now, guys. Lovely and nice. Right here I have a frying pan where I'm gonna fry all of my veg and stuff in. I got it about roughly about 4 to 5 minutes now, to be honest, guys. Getting it hot. This is really hot at the moment. I'm gonna pop a tablespoon of olive oil, or you can use vegetable oil inside of it. Just like that, guys. And I'm simple saying to you, my frying pan is on about probably about 4 or 5 minutes now. It's pretty hot. Get your frying pan hot. That's one of the key points after you do all of your veg. Then first of all, what I'm gonna simply do is to put in all of my veg inside of it like this. Be careful. So you hear that frying, lovely and nice. And I got it on a medium size heat. Looking lovely. So as you can see, because it's a fresh thyme, give it a little stir. So we're gonna allow this to fry up for about 4 to 5 minutes until the veg cooks. Right over here, I have some dumpling and banana which is cooking in the meantime. As you can see, this is almost finished now. That's looking lovely over here. Right here is the saltfish, the seasoning for the saltfish. Nice one, guys. As you can see, the veg is finished now. So basically all I need to do is add my saltfish, just like that. Put a nice lovely Jamaican scotch bonnet pepper inside of it to get some flavor. And now let me do the next, put a little bit of coarse pepper. That's coarse peppers. Next, then simple, add a little bit of ketchup. Make a stir. Some people might say, oh, Chef Ricardo, you use so much ketchup and you're a top chef. No. You want your food to taste nice, you have to add ingredients. So all I'm going to do is just allow this to cook for another 3 to 4 more minutes. And then we're going to share it off. Nice and lovely. So now this is finished. We're going to simply share it out, guys. Looking lovely and nice. As you can see, Beautiful, really, really nice, guys. And hopefully this will be a benefit to you and your family. As you can see, subscribe to the YouTube channel and please leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. We've got a lot more recipes coming out, just like this saltfish with dumpling and green boiled banana. Enjoy the recipe. Nice and lovely, guys. As I can see, I just share 2 banana, 2 dumpling, and now I'm gonna simple share that lovely saltfish right in the center right here. Look at that, guys. Beautiful, really nice, really nice. Put the Jamaican scotch on the pepper right on top of it. So guys, enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. We got a lot more recipe like this coming up for you guys. As I can see, looking so lovely and nice. Banana and dumpling serving saltfish, fried up saltfish one more time on the menu. Can't too much, guys. Every day we learn something new. We have to do it and we have to share it. We have to make you guys know what's going on. So it's a lovely recipe and hopefully it'll be a benefit to you guys. Subscribe to the channel and please leave your comments. See you next time. Bye bye.